you want to highlight a certain word, I'm going to show you how to do this in AppScript and the automation around it. So maybe you want to do this, say, every day or every hour or every minute. You want to be highlighting a certain word over and over again. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Go up to Automations, highlight word, and we're just going to type in a word, title. Click OK. And every single sheet that has title, now the word title is highlighted. So let me show you how to do this. Go up to Extensions, AppScript. If you're looking for the code, by the way, I have all of the code here in a Google slide, and it's totally free at bettersheets.co/slides. So the very first thing we have in our AppScript here is the onOpen function. All this does is add the menu called Automations to our sheet every time the spreadsheet is opened. And then we create a function called highlight keyword prompt. And what we're doing is we're going to Slides app, get UI, we're prompting enter a keyword to highlight, and then we're going to get that response text. What is the actual text that with that, we're going to go to our slides, get active presentation, get the slides, and dot for each, meaning every single slide that occurs in our presentation. We're going to do inside of that a little function called slide, and we're going to take the slide. We're going to get every single shape, and for each of the shapes, we're going to do another function inside of that. And we're going to get the text of every single shape. And if there is a shape that's text, we're going to find that keyword. And if we found that keyword, we're going to do wherever that range is, get the style, and set the background color. So this is fairly simple to do. And I think the most complicated part is that we are adding this prompt at the beginning and getting the text here. Other than that, it's a for each inside of a for each and with a few ifs. So again, you can copy this script at bettersheets.co/slides. I want to show you how to do this without the prompt in case there's a very special word that you want to highlight and you want to automate this maybe every hour or so. So let's do that. I've just copied the script and we're going to just say highlight word title. And instead of getting this keyword, we're going to say the keyword is just title. So in quotes, title. We're not going to change anything here except for this log. We might want to delete that. And we're going to save. So we're just setting the title. We're not asking for a prompt or anything. And we want to run it. So I want to test it out here. I'm going to select it here next to debug and then click run. And actually we need to test if this is working. Clear background, working. And there it is. It has highlighted all of the words title. So how do we automate it? How do we actually get this to run every single time we want it to run or every hour? We're going to go over to the left side here, triggers, and on the bottom right, it says add trigger. I'm going to add trigger. Now choose which function to run. We're going to select in the drop-down menu, highlight keyword title. We're going to scroll down a little bit, and we have an event source. You can either do from calendar or time-driven. In this particular case, we're going to do time-driven. Hour timer, there is also a day timer if you only want to do it once per day, maybe before you come into work or after. But I'm going to do it actually every hour. And here we can select either every hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, or even every 12 hours twice a day. But we're going to do every hour. Click save. And now, just like I ran it inside of AppScript, it will run even if I have this slide closed. If I want to come back and delete this ever again, I'm going to show you all the steps to get back here. After we close this automation and come to extensions, AppScript. Once it's loaded, go over to the left side, triggers, and here our trigger will be. Over on the right side, there's 3 dots. Click that and click delete trigger. If you don't want this to be triggered ever again, we can delete it there. And there you go. That's how to highlight a certain word. Again, you can get this script, copy and paste it from bettersheets.co/slides. Get free automations, totally free download. Get this automation along with a ton of others included in that slide.